Hi, I'm Nicholas. I'm the founder of TurboDocx, and it looks like you're looking to make a template. Let me show you how easy it is, and let's get started. All right, let's kick things off easy. This is just a normal document. This happened to be something I sent to a client, but watch what happens when we drop in company name. Boom, now it's smart. Welcome to the world of variables. Heads up, variables must be one word. No spaces, no funky symbols like pound or percent. Keep it clean like project name with single brackets. When you're inserting a section or an image, the variable needs to be on its own line. Don't squeeze it into a sentence. Watch, we're removing this old content and replacing it with scope section. All by itself, nice and clean. One of the most common mistakes is sticking a variable is on its own line when it's not. To be sure, turn on the paragraph marker tool. In Word, click the paragraph icon to reveal hidden spaces and line breaks. It's the fastest way to catch formatting issues before they break your template. In Google Docs, go to View, Show Non-Printing Characters, and you'll get the same results. Now let's look at how to insert a section into a slide deck template. We're starting with a slide that includes what we heard, how we can help, and follow-up questions. First, click on the existing text and delete it. Then go to the top left corner and click Insert Shape and choose a rectangle. Draw the shape where you want the dynamic content to go. Inside the box, type your variable name, what we heard, all one word, no spaces. Next, we want to align the text to the top of the shape so everything stays uniform. Go to Shape Format, Align Text, and select Top. After that, clean it up by setting Shape Fill and Shape Outline to No Fill. This makes the section invisible, no colored box. And finally, change the font color of what we heard to black so it's easy and clear to see in your final deck. We hope this made it a little bit easier to use our product. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. And if you want more information or some more documentation, check out the link below at docs.turbodox.com. Have a great day.